Hey folks, if you've encountered the Null IMEI nightmare, this video is your savior. We extract the compressed WriteCode file and run WriteCode.exe. Think you need a $200 dongle to fix IMEI? This free factory tool does the exact same job. Where is the right button? Don't search. Here's the secret trick that confuses everyone. We move to the IMEI tab, enter the original IMEIs. Since there is no right button, we connect the powered off phone for the tool to start writing automatically, auto detect. BSN tab stands for barcode serial number. This is distinct from the IMEI and represents the factory manufacturing ID of the motherboard. Write BSN. This field is used if you need to modify the factory serial number, not the network IMEI. RF data tab. This tab is dedicated to writing radio frequency calibration files. View Colli Data tab. This tab is solely for reading and viewing the current calibration status of the device and does not make changes. Config. This is the main configuration window where database files are introduced to the software. Smartphone. Feature phone. This option is critical. Due to font garbling, the second option containing the legible text, smartphone, can just be selected for Android devices. MVRAM DB. This selects the modem database file BPLGU, which acts as the identity card for the phone's antenna. APDB. This selects the application processor database file APDB. IMEI checkbox. The bottom options allow selecting simultaneous writing of IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. and enabling checksum verification.